Good morning, everyone. My name is Ola Abdurrahman. As you all know, today I'll be showing you another tutorial where you are going to be downloading a great video, that is a tutorial video from Udemy without paying anything, without paying any amount. You are going to download it for free without paying. You know, I've been wandering around, as in I've been doing a lot of research on this. I've been doing a lot of research on it because I've heard of some of my friends shouting, they need to pay 2,000, 60 and 6,000, 60,000. Some people are even paying 10,000. Some of them are even paying 50,000 just because of getting a course from Udemy. But today I will be showing you a great trick, a great hacking where you can get a video, that is a tutorial video from Udemy without paying any amount. So just try to follow my tutorial. So in this tutorial, the first thing I will be showing you is search for udemy.com. That is, this how you are going to search is going to pump up at your screen now. So just follow how I write it. So write www.udemy.com. So after that, go to sign up, that is register. So when you register, so when you are through with your registration, just search for the kind of tutorial you are looking for. Maybe as I did now, I search for a web development, that is a web development at Udemy. So as I search for it, it will, how you are going to do it when you search. So you will see it now. I will show you. So are you seeing it? So this is how you are going to search it. When you search, you can search any course you like on Udemy, any course you want, but just make sure there are a lot of space on your phone or your system. Maybe like a 4 gig or even more than 4 gig, because you are going to be downloading all these videos. It's not that you are going to download all this tutorial video. So just try to have a lot of space. You're not paying any money. You're not paying any money to Udemy. You're just downloading it for free. But why I said you are going to download it is that just maybe you can do a night sub just to get the video from the Udemy. So just follow how I'm showing you the steps. So the first one is that you search for the tutorial you are looking for on Udemy, maybe web development for a beginner, a JavaScript, or a something, anyone you like, just search for it. So as for me, I will be searching for a web development. Let me search for JavaScript here. I'll be searching for JavaScript. So I've searched for JavaScript now. So it is bringing a result about JavaScript. So it show, as you are seeing it, it show a place where the tutorial video, that is, it will show the tutorial video. So when it shows the tutorial video, you are going to what? You are going to click the name under that tutorial video. As in, maybe it bring a list of tutorial video on Udemy. Just click on the one you want. So when you click on it, it will take you to this place you are seeing on the screen. It will show you the place. So when it show you, you just click down the name. You are searching for JavaScript for beginner something. So you press that JavaScript, that name, you press it down till the thing bring to select. So you select all the name there. So again, when you have copied the name that is under that tutorial video, the name, that JavaScript for beginner that you search for. So when you select the name and copy it, so you will now going to go to second website, that is, you search for www.freecourse.com. just you will see how I will write it now. So have you seen it? So when you have seen it like that, so you search for www.freecourse. That free course is going to be together, not that you will give it a space. freecourse.com. So when you search for it, it will show the site how you are seeing it here. So have you seen it? So just go to where they put search. So after that, you press down on the on that box, on that text box. So you press it down till the thing bring a paste. So are you seeing it how I'm pasting my own? So when you click on paste, you search. So when you search on the site, it will bring the list of the tutorial video you search for on that free course. So the tutorial video that you search at Udemy, the thing will show, that video will show on this free course website. But it's only if the thing is not showing. Maybe he said maybe result is maybe something like a not found result, or the result nothing like this found, or nothing like this video is found in this site. That means they have not uploaded the kind of tutorial video you want. You can just, you can try to what, to search for another one and click on the same thing. Do as I said, click on that text box at that searching area, so and paste search. So if the thing bring the tutorial video that you want, just click on it. So when you click on it, click on the tutorial video, it will take you to another place, how you are seeing it here. So when it take you to another place, you now scroll down to where there is download now. So when you see download, so just click on download. As you are seeing it here, check it very well. Don't make a mistake. Just click on download. So when you click on download, it will take you to another place, another page. So as you are seeing it on this page, this is the kind of page that the thing will show. So you will now go to, you what, you see a place where they said I'm not a robot. So you click on that box. So when you click on it, the thing will mark like a green mark. So you now click on next. So it will show you the another place, another page again, that the thing will be loading, that you wait for the link. The thing will be counting until the thing count to 1, abi is 0. So when you have seen it 0, you scroll down. So you see a place when they said link. So you now press that link down until the thing, until a box of instruction pump up. When you see copy the link address, copy the link address, copy the link, copy the link text, copy download or any kind of thing that they show there. So you now click on copy link address. So when you click on it, so I will now show you the last. So when you have copied it, you will now search for the last site when you are going to download it. So you search for Cedri. Just see the screen, how the thing is showing, www.cedri.com. So when you search for it, this is how the thing will show. So you register. When you have signed in, you sign it with your name and all this. You do the registration stuff. It's because I've registered before. I'm supposed to show you how you're going to register, but just click on sign in. You sign in. When you sign it, finish, the thing will register you. You do all the verification and the things that you should do. I'm supposed to show you, but I have the thing already. That's why I'm not showing you the process of how you are going to sign in. So try to sign into that site. So when you sign in, when you are through with everything, this is how the thing will be. So you will now go to a place, a top side. You will see, as you are seeing it on the screen, you will see where they said you can paste, and you see something like a plus. So you now paste the kind of link that link address that you copy. You now paste it and you click on plus. So when you click on plus, the thing will start downloading. You will see the tutorial, the video I've downloaded. You see, I will show you the video I've downloaded. I've not downloaded a lot of video. I just downloaded only one. So as I download the first one, that is why I think let me share my research with other people, so that them too, they can download a lot of things. I know most of them, they are having, as in most of us, we are having problem with Udemy paying a lot of money for them, just because we want to get a tutorial video. And even some of us, we are not even eager to get the tutorial video, just because of the amount that they put at Udemy. So with this process I've shown you, you will be able to download a free course. You'll be able to download a course from Udemy without even paying any amount. So just try to follow all the instruction I show you in this tutorial. Try to like, share so that others too can learn from this tutorial, and try to subscribe to our channel so that we can be able to do more video on these kind of things. There are a lot of tutorial video coming up again on WordPress, web development and other stuff. So but this second tutorial, try to like and try to subscribe. You may not know me before, but you can try to put a comment, maybe I like your tutorial video, or any kind of comment. Even you can even put a comment about the kind of tutorial video that you want, so that I can just do the tutorial video and share it to you, so that you can just watch it and understand. So thank you for watching our tutorial video. See you again. Thank you once again. Try to subscribe, share and like, and put a comment for us, so that we can know that you really like this tutorial and you are able to